All right, welcome to Accessible 3D, the place where we talk 3D designing and printing, and we do it in an accessible way. My name is Edis, I'm fully blind, and in today's video, I'll be showing you yet another AI 3D tool that can help you regardless of whether you're blind or visually impaired. And hey, did you notice that I found something else to say that hello, ladies and gentlemen? So yeah, welcome once again. Um, I will start out by saying if you can hear something in the background, it's my 3D printer. I'm doing a large print. It's one of my most complex, nicest, sweetest, cutest, call it whatever you want, models. And I'm printing it with PVA for support. That is a love-hate relationship. I'll talk about that at another point. But yeah, if you haven't watched any of my previous videos, I'll drop a link in the description and you can check that out if you'd like. Now, AI, it's a tender subject for someone, it's a sore subject. For me, as a blind person, it's very enabling. In today's video, I'll be talking about a tool called Genie. That tool has been made by Luma Labs. So as those of you who can see, I'm on a web page right now. For those of you who can't, it's called lumalabs.ai. So you type in LUMALABS.ai. Now, once you're on this website, if you're using a screen reader, don't tab your way through all of this because there's a lot. As you can hear, what you'll do instead, you'll hit Control plus F and you'll write Genie, Genie. And you'll just arrow down a couple of times, search for it again, and you're right on the link. And for those of you who can see, well, you can see where to click. Now, you'll click on Genie, and you'll be taken to this model or tool that's called Genie. And this is basically a tool where you type in some text and it will generate a model, a 3D model for you. So once you're here, you have to sign up. It's free. I'm signed up. And well, at least if you want to download your models. Now that you are signed up, let's just say you've signed up already, you can hit E for edit or to find a text field. And here you can type basically whatever you want. I will type create a beautiful and highly detailed eagle. All right. And then we hit create and then we wait. It will take a couple of seconds. For those of you who are blind, you can hit Control plus End because you need to go down here at the bottom of the web page. For those of you who can see, well, you'll be able to see the different models that it's producing. And you can hear now we have 4 different graphics or images or whatever you'd like to call it. You can hear this. Yeah. And what you want to do is you want to take the last one just above the retry button because that's the most successful. You hit enter, and then it will say created by, and then my name, Edis, Adel, well, some of my name. And what you can do here now is if you just use the arrow key down, make high res, that's to make the model high resolution. Variations, well, that's if you want to try something else. Download. You can hit enter here to download the model as a GLB file. Unfortunately, for those of us who use screen readers, before we were actually able to change the output format to STL, for instance. and then we can start printing it. For some reason, that's not accessible any longer. But you can do it through their app. And for those of you who can see, well, you can see where to click. Now, once you've downloaded the model, you can convert it to STL, and then you can use basically what I do when I have to get a description of what I've created. So you will upload it to a slicer that's accessible, take some screenshots, and have an AI describe it to you. So that's basically it. Pretty simple, pretty nice, pretty nifty. This is a tool that you can use as a blind person to create something nice. And as a sighted person, you can use it to, well, create something nice or create a foundation for something to build on. And like that, work out from something that is created. That's it for now. Thank you so much for joining me. Thank you so much for watching. Stick around because in the next couple of weeks, I'll be creating some very cool videos with tinkering. Sometimes I think it's better to be blind when tinkering because, well, you have to pull some small cables and do some very nifty stuff where kind of difficult if you can't get your light in there or you can't see it properly. Then it's much easier to just feel around. Thank you so much once again, and I hope you'll have a great day. Cheers, and see you in the next video.